Hey, what's up? I'll be showing you how to fix a Fisher & Paykel washing machine that is leaking water from the front. So if you see your Fisher & Paykel washing machine leaking water from here, just like mine is doing, I will show you how to fix it. Yours might look different from this one, but the fix for it is the same across many different models. You're gonna need a flat screwdriver and a Phillips head screwdriver. You also need some adjustable pliers, and just on cue, you can see the water leaking just down from the side there, going on there. We'll need to replace the water valve on this. The water valve is one of these. That's what we need to replace on it. And it will have all the part numbers and everything on it. To access it, you have to turn off your washing machine first, unplug it from the power. So I'm gonna pause my cycle, pause it, turn it off, switch off the water. So turn off the water because we're gonna disconnect the water hose. So go to the back and disconnect the water hose. And we're gonna work from the back. Gonna need to disconnect the hose that goes onto your cold tap. So the cold one is what we're gonna replace. Take it out. With your Phillips head screwdriver, you're gonna need to take off 2 screws at the back to take the top cover off. So there'll be one screw here and 1 screw on the right. So just below here at the bottom there. Use your Phillips head screwdrivers and that will just slide off. You pull it back and it comes off. The back here, we're gonna take off 2 screws. One on the left here. These are what's holding the water valve, and one on this side. So that's off. Make sure it's unplugged from the power. At the top here, this is your valve. Disconnect the wires going to it. So your power leads. There'll be 2 of them. It might be a bit stuck, but they'll eventually come out. Once you've got them out, with your pliers, you'll need to take off these clamps. Remove the clamps. You'll then need your flat screwdriver. These hoses come off. Your flat screwdriver is going to help you to sort of guide them out. These valves, if you go on eBay, you can type in Fisher & Paykel cold water valve, front load washing machine cold water valve, or you can ring Fisher & Paykel and buy this part. There we go. So that's off. Whoops. So one of them is for main wash and then one of them is for pre-wash or rinse. So one of them is acting up. We're gonna change them, plug in the new ones. setting like that. There you go, it's in. Put the clamps over it. Reconnect your wiring. Once you've got that in, insert the screws. Reconnect your cold water hose. Once you've got everything reconnected, turn the power on and run a test wash. Quick 30, start, and we'll see if the fix has worked. You'll need to take the water out, so I'm going to pause that and I'll put it on spin so it drains that water out, and then we'll test to make sure when it puts in the new water that it's not leaking from the front. Make sure that our fix has worked. With the water drained away, select a quick cycle, start, remember to turn back the water on. We'll see if it's still leaking. And that's how you fix it. It's not leaking anymore. Water's going in fine. If you have any questions, leave a comment in the comment section below and I will get back to you. As always, thanks for tuning in. I hope this video has been helpful. I'll see you on the next repair. Cheers.